A feathery brow look has become more popular in the past few years. It gives your eyebrows a fuller and a wilder look, because the brow hairs are properly lifted. Some like it more dramatic, while others prefer to keep it more natural. Okay, now we are going to create the feathery look or a fluffy brow. I brought Elfie.
Hi.
Elfie is not an eyebrow artist or anything beauty industry related, just because then we can show how easy it is. Well, we start with the first step. You brush your eyebrows with a brush. Well, she did it just this way. And then we start with the second step, like defining the eyebrows. So the first thing that you do is like make a straight line at the underside of the eyebrow. Yes. And as we talked about it before, you always start at the point at the nostril. Yes, and you go to the back. Yes. I think you can make him a little bit longer, yes.
Like this?
Yeah, like this.
Right.
Yeah, great. So then what she's going to do to create a feathery look, you are going to make strokes up. Yeah, to really kind of create eyebrow hairs. Yes, great. And then what is really important, Elfie, is if you take this line, now you see the line through your iris. Yeah. Here you see that you can make the angle of your eyebrow a little bit higher. Like I will show you. Like here. Yes. Yes. And then what you do is you brush it out really well. In this way you blend in the color really nicely. Amazing. So let me check really quickly. Yeah. Amazing. Okay, so what we now do, we take the micro concealer. Yes, we have chosen the light color for her because yeah, she has a light skin. And then she's going to draw a straight line under the eyebrow. And with this, you really sculpt the eyebrow and you create extra contrast. And that will make your eyebrow pop really well. Yeah, you can like make it a little bit longer. Yes, perfect. And then what we do, we take a blending brush. Thank you. You're welcome. And you don't do the beginning part. You start after 1 centimeter. You start blending it out if you go down. Like yes. Yes, that's nice. Okay, and then we're going to get like the secret power. That's the control. That's a wax. So the first thing that Elfie is going to do is make the brush a little bit wet. Exactly. And then she takes a little bit of brow control. And then you blend it on your hand firstly. Yeah, so the water and the wax are mixing. Yes, and then what you do, you don't start at the beginning, but you start here. Yeah, and you just brush the hairs up. Yes, and then you do the first part. Yes, amazing. So now it's Elfie, her feather look, and you can really see the difference between her two brows. And it's also good to say that it's the first time that she's doing this.
Yes.
So I think it looks really good for a first time. Okay, so Elfie finished her eyebrows. I have like a small point of improvement, and that's to make her arch a little bit more defined. So that's what I'm going to do now. And normally this is a step you cannot do after the brow control, but you can see that now her eyebrows are perfect.